Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you all how to whip up this very easy and delicious dish that can be made in less than 40 minutes. So let's get started. First, I will start off by cutting some ripe plantains. Now feel free to use some yam or potato, whatever is totally optional. Peel the back and cut into your preferred size. Next up, into the bowl of plantain, I'm going to add in the chicken. Then I would season that up with some blended white onion, blended red onion, some chicken seasoning, suya pepper, salt, blended pepper as well. You can skip the suya pepper, just use seasonings that you really like. Totally fine, okay? Then I added in some soy oil. Give that a good mix together to combine. If you have the time, you can let this marinate in the fridge for about an hour or two. You can as well make this a day before. Just keep it in the fridge and let it stay there and marinate. Then the next day you bring it out and complete the cooking process. Next up, I went in with some curry leaves. I wanted it to have that curry flavor. You can as well use some scent leaves or just skip it. You can also use some palm oil in place of the soy oil. Transfer to a foil and then wrap that up. Now put that into the oven and allow it to grill for 25 minutes to 20 degrees C. After 25 minutes, this dish is ready. And trust me, it tastes so good. But I love to spread it out and pop that into the oven again for another 25 minutes. For me, this is what you eat when you're craving bole and you can't find it anywhere around you. I hope you all get to give this one a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.